want to find out what math is all about, then you need to check out Math with McMurdo. Like, share, and subscribe. He's the best. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we're going to talk about multiplying decimals by whole numbers using visuals. You will oftentimes see this where there'll be something colored or shaded differently. So this is 4 times 2/10. So the way this works is they shaded in 2/10 4 times in 4 different colors so that you can tell that this is one group, this is the second group, this is the third group, and the fourth group. We must remember it's 2/10 because each of these columns is worth a tenth. So that's a tenth, and that's a tenth. So that's 2/10. That's a tenth, and that's a tenth. So that's 2/10. That's a tenth, and that's a tenth. So that's 2/10. That's a tenth, and that's a tenth. So if you see them separated like this is going to be a multiplication problem. It's asking how many are shaded in total. We know there are 4 different colors, so there's 4 groups. We know each group has 2/10 shaded. And so the total amount would be 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10. So that is 4 times 2/10, and that is how it will visually show up. Here's another example of multiplying decimals by a whole number. Our problem is 3 times 1400ths. We have one group of 1400ths. Notice, this is 10 100ths, which is why it's a tenth, and then we have 4 more. So that makes it 1400ths, or 1/10 and 400ths, 1/10 and 400ths. This is 3 times 1400ths. I have 3 different groups with 1400ths in it. 3 different groups with 1400ths in it. That's going to be 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, and then we would add the short numbers together, the number of hundredths that are shaded. This one, they put them all together to save you more at the room store. And so they took those 3, they put them together so that they were overlapping so that we could count exactly how many are shaded. So we have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. 4/10 right there. We have 2/100ths right there. So the answer to 3 times 1400ths is 42/100ths. 42/100ths. Notice different colors so we know how many groups there are. We live with the right mindset. We can do anything. So keep a positive attitude, believe in yourself, work hard, and don't be afraid if you fail. Just start again. First attempt at learning.